Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Regular expressions, regex, in Python are a powerful way to match and manipulate strings. If you want to remove punctuation from a string, you can use the re module, which provides support for regular expressions. What is punctuation? Punctuation includes characters like periods, dot, commas, comma, exclamation marks, question marks, colons, colon, semicolons, and many others. In regex, punctuation can be matched using predefined character classes or by specifying individual characters. Overview of Python regex. 1. Import the re module. This module contains functions and classes to work with regex. 2. Define a pattern. Create a regex pattern that matches punctuation. 3. Use resub. This function replaces occurrences of the pattern in a string with a specified replacement, in this case, an empty string. Removing punctuation example. Here's how you can remove punctuation from a string using Python's re module. Step-by-step tutorial. 1. Import the re module. 2. Define a string that contains punctuation. 3. Create a regex pattern that includes all punctuation characters. 4. Use resub, to replace all punctuation with an empty string. Code example. Explanation of the code. Import re, imports the regex module. Text, this is the input string that contains punctuation. Pattern equals r:\w\s, this regex pattern matches any character that is not a word character, \w matches letters, digits, and underscores, or wit space, \s matches spaces, tabs, and new lines. The caret, at the start of the brackets negates the character class, meaning we want to match anything that is not in the specified set. Resub, pattern, text, this function call searches for all matches of the pattern in text and replaces them with an empty string, effectively removing them. Output, the clean text is printed, showing the original text and the text after punctuation removal. Additional notes. You can modify the regex pattern if you want to keep certain punctuation marks. To handle specific punctuation scenarios or to include/exclude certain characters, you can adjust the regex pattern accordingly. Conclusion. Using regex in Python is an efficient way to manipulate strings, including removing punctuation. The resub function is particularly useful for this purpose. With a little practice, you can expand your regex skills to handle more complex string manipulation tasks.